Hot diggity dang, it's that time of morning again. It's cereal time! Hey guys, Connie here. How's it going, people? By the way, I haven't worn this shirt in years. I found it at the back of my closet. So yeah, it's good to wear it again. But in other news, hey Con. Simon, what are you doing here? Go away. Are you going to introduce me to your friends? Fine. Hey guys, this is Simon. Hello. And he's a new addition to the family, ConSloggsTV family, and yeah. Why are you talking to the camera? Simon, it's the people I'm talking to the viewers. Oh right, I see now. Why are you talking to a camera? Right, go away. Wait, down there, go. Sorry about that, guys. So, guys, I don't know what to say now. Hey, Con, I'm just using your toilet, okay? Okay, sure, Simon. What? Well, that was weird. Any hoozles, I'm expecting a delivery from the postman, which should be here round about now. Oh, hello there, Mr. Postman.
Ah, hello there, Mr. Man. I've got a delivery for Mr. Condom Slags.
Wait a minute, that's pronounced ConSloggs?
Oh, right. Sorry. Here's your parcel.
Oh, goody! Some sweets! Wait a minute, are you wearing a policeman hat?
Don't tell my wife!
Oh, okay. Weird. I'm ready for this candy. Wait a minute. What the hell? This is a word for me from 2006. Why is it in a candy box? Oh, I'm disappointed now. Oh, that sucks. Anyway, at least I got an award. Oh, it's that time again. It's time to kill the broccoli monster! You don't scare me, broccoli monster. It's broccoli solution time. Wait a minute. I'm wearing different clothes now. Weird. But anyways, to end this video, let's end it with a nice song. So here we go. La 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 la. I'm a pimp because I love little frogs. Because when I go to the toilet, I'll turn into a frog. You see? Wasn't that a nice little song? I'm going to go now. Why do I have to leave the video? What are you going for? Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!